Hey and welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. In today's video, we are talking about going back to basics. My name is Abigail and I'm the go-to girl for women's confidence, and this is the channel where we talk about all things related to confidence so that we can do something about it. So if you want to do something about your confidence, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It is episode 317. Let's take a look at what today's thought on confidence is. Sometimes you have to go back to what's familiar to guide you to what's new. So this is about going back to basics. It is so easy, and I know I freaking do this all the time. I allow myself to get overwhelmed with all the big dreams and all the big goals and all, looking at people who are doing the things that I want to be doing and building the things that I want to build. And then start to kind of get that overwhelm and despondency, and my confidence goes one way. And those are the times that we've got to actually just step back and go back to basics and stop comparing ourselves, stop comparing where we are in our journey compared to somebody else. Those are the times for us just to go back to the basics, to follow the basics of what is fun to do, what do I enjoy doing, who am I really, what makes me feel good, and what can I do that would make others feel good? What are the things that evaporate time while I'm doing them? Go back to the basics. Just step away from all the noise and all the clutter and all the overwhelm and all the confidence defeating information, and just go back to basics. Because you know what, at the end of the day, you have everything, all the resources, all the knowledge, you have access to all of it already inside of you. You were born that way. You just haven't been taught to access it. And that's why things like meditation and mindfulness are so important, because it's teaching us to tap into our own resources, tap into our own reserves. We are an unending generator of all that we would ever need, but we have to tap into it. We have to go inwards. And when we go inwards, the out reflects what's on the inside. So go back to basics. Go back to listening to what your heart and your soul want, rather than the noise and clutter of the mind. Go back to basics. Follow the bliss. Just follow the bliss. That's my little video for today. Let me know if it resonates with you. Maybe it's the message you need to hear today. If it is, let me know in the comments down below. And please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, and share it with a friend. And whatever you do next, do it consciously, do it confidently, follow the bliss, and go back to basics. It's the only way. Have yourself a fantastic day.